And let's watch as Vicki Benzing gets ready to do her performance, and as Sean D. Tucker gets ready to take off in another training. Vicki Benzing flying a World War II trainer that actually goes back to the 20s, but it was a primary trainer for the United States Army Air Force and the military. Then there was basic training, and then if they got through all of those primary and basic tasks and training, they would qualify then in the trainer flown by Sean D. Tucker, the North American Texan. So let's keep your eyes to the sky. A lady who is flying an airplane that usually cruises at a blistering 95 or 100 miles per hour. But a lady who won the silver class at the Reno National Championship Air Races this past September in a very, very fast airplane. But let's watch this primary trainer and demonstrate just how great a pilot she is. Born and raised in California, a skydiver and an air racer. Over 9,000 flight hours to her credit. And she won that first race in September in a little Lance Air legacy she calls Lucky Girl. Vicki still remembers her flight in her uncle's airplane when she was just a kid. Inspired that flight. She ended up learning how to fly in a friend's antique Taylorcraft aircraft in Watsonville. She was thrilled by the spins and the loops and the rolls that her ex-military instructor taught her, and subsequently she took aerobatic instruction from legendary pilot Amelia Reed. But her flying took a back seat, so while she earned her PhD in chemistry from UC Berkeley. Her passion for spins, loops, and rolls soon returned when she took an aerobatic flight with Airshow legend Wayne Handley from right here in the area. The Stearman biplane that she's flying initially was built with a 225 horsepower motor on it, or a 220 horsepower Avco, Lycoming, or Continental engine. But this one has the 450 on it, so it's a little bit more the Pratt & Whitney R985. But it gives her the power to come across the top and do 5/8 of a loop. Side left, if you will, right side up. And as she does, watch her come down the backside and do the same thing in the opposite direction. If it weren't breezy, her Airshow smoke would come off the figure. A maneuver that goes back all the way to 1936, when the maneuver was first invented by accident and given the name Cuban 8. sponsored by California Aeronautical University. The university prepares students for exciting careers in aviation as professional pilots and other aviation-related positions. California Aeronautical University's on-airport campus is an expansive facility home to a 39,000 square foot flight training center and 32,000 square foot maintenance center. The facility was purpose-built for flight training and is located in Southern California at the Bakersfield International Airport, where flying conditions are excellent year-round. The facility includes on-campus student housing, a dining hall, classrooms, a recreation center with tennis and basketball courts, a gym, and an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Students at California Aeronautical University complete their 4-year degree program in 3 years. CAU students begin flying their first term. The university doesn't waste any time to get students up in the air, accumulating value. Earning their certificates and ratings from private pilot to certified flight instructor along the way. All of the necessary flying certificates and ratings can be completed in the first 2 years. The remaining time is spent completing coursework necessary for the degree program and building flight time toward the student's career as a professional pilot. The university's programs are FAA Part 1. CAU graduates can earn eligibility to benefit from a 200 to 500 flight hour requirement reduction when seeking their airline transport pilot certificates. Graduates can also benefit from CAU's airline partnerships that provide a direct pathway to regional employment. So you can take a look at the great things happening in California Aeronautical University by visiting the university's Facebook page or their website at calaero.edu.